Welcome back, everyone. I've got something slightly different for you this week. This is Terex Demag AC 350. It's one of the first cranes that I built, I think around 2016. And as you can see, it's not as detailed as the cranes I build nowadays. But this was part of a learning curve for me. I didn't know much about cranes at the time. This is the first telescopic crane that I built with both the superlift arms and a luffing jib. Now I haven't bothered to put the hook on this because I'm just doing a test. It came back to me after a bit of an unfortunate accident where some of the parts got broken, and I'm just testing it now to make sure that the repairs I've made are all good. It looks like they are. Everything on this seems to be a little bit more bulky than it should be, but that was the learning curve. You know, everybody has to learn, and this was one of the cranes that taught me how to build a crane. Talk to you next week.